Good afternoon, everyone. I tell you, I appreciate everyone for sharing their video from last night. It's going to be featuring an inmate every Sunday night now, because that's what this organization is about those that are incarcerated, those that do not have a fair opportunity for parole. But I'd like to know um, for our friends, and one is to put aside any differences right now. This is not the time to disagree in a negative way, because we have a bill that we're trying to get passed, and I believe we have a great chance for it. But it's going to take people joining forces and working together and uniting as one. This is not just a Columbus issue. This is an Ohio issue, and it is also a national issue. As we've seen some of the changes in other states, and it seems to me that Ohio is usually behind some of the other states that have made positive change. People need to realize that this is pretty much a full-time job if we expect to put a good foot forward to be able to win this. I'm a little bit frustrated with this negative comments. So I don't like this person, so I'm going to get involved. Get over yourself. It's not about me. It's not about Gene. It's not about Heather, Bobby, or any of the other members and supporters. It's about how we can work together for change. And at this point, it's not really about making friends. You will over time when you do this type of work, but it's about getting laws changed. That's what we're putting together with other organizations, including Black on Black, Black Lives Matter, Father's Lives Matter. We're all joining forces because that's how change will take place and occur. But I woke up this morning to a couple negative emails, and one was a hate email, which I don't really care. But it frustrates me when that's the first thing you see in the morning. And sometimes it's the last thing in the night. Sometimes the phone calls start around 6 in the morning from inmates and their families. As soon as they wake up and it counts over, is when the inmates are calling in the family members, sometimes calls before 6 o'clock. I'm going to listen even as hard as I am, because to them it's important that there's somebody there that's going to be willing to listen to them. And we have such great leadership in our organization now, and I'm really proud of each of our board members and our supporters. We are looking for a experienced grant writer that will be willing to write some grants. Our long-term goal has been transitional housing for family women. All good things take time, though. And if we find a grant writer that can make the pay out of the grant, they are ready. Hi, Marcella. I knew you were going to be out there with a protest since you live right out there. Then I'll be having my parents that will be coming on. It's always nice to be in Cleveland. But I know a good restaurants. I grew up in Harlem Heights, so it's right there. But, we all need it. I think the people that's involved are our sponsor and his name is Mr. Rankin, the House Republican out of Cincinnati, for being willing to help us out so that laws can be passed. We have Democrats that are willing to be co-sponsors. But we have to have both parties still work, but without Republicans, we wouldn't have a chance. And we're always open for suggestions on how we could run a little bit smoother. We need to promote in social media. We need the news always give great news coverage in Columbus. Believe it or not, so much lately. I had a fake amount of wanted to do an interview for a couple years back. But that was last time they've been really down. If anybody remembers my cousin, she worked for, I think, closer to Cat Crumber. She was at the court with Tim Taylor. But, I could be good. Top 5 and 9 are the worst ones. Choose 40 because they would be the first ones to bash out of Cleveland. So we know which ones to contact and which ones not to contact. But if everybody seen, our original bill that we drafted, I drafted, at least more did, which it's everything in this bill. From the first 40 pages or so, it's case law. But it went from 17 pages to 9 pages. It doesn't have every house bill number yet. But we're waiting to the public defender's office because they're going to check language on it. And, so that we can know if it's something that, I should say that, because they want to check the language so that they can support it. So, and Senator David Secretary with the Justice Policy Center, and I heard back from him as of yet. It does not seem like they're very interested in supporting this. It's kind of disappointing. We contacted the ACLU out of Cleveland, talking on about Cleveland, Minnesota, because we had not heard from them. You know, we're trying to get endorsements from throughout the state of Ohio. So if anyone has contacts in those areas, please make them for us. You have our permission. You know, hey Lord, but we need to really find these groups in Ohio and draw them in. I was invited to speak at an event on I think 18th of September in Columbus at the State House, a big rally, and then on the 13th we'll be in Cleveland for our protest. And then the 21st of Appreciation Day in Columbus. I hope my Cleveland friends can join us. That is at Indian Mound Park in Columbus, Ohio. We rented the pavilion from 8 till 3. I should by now. I should have made that. I didn't think, but if we go over the park, just move out a little bit and you know, the park. There's softball there, basketball. You can play football. So let's make this a family event, have fun, and if I have people throughout the day, I'm sorry, but you know, sometimes you know you just get tired and you need to relax. It doesn't always work that way. But I'm just glad you have such great people that are pulling together, working together, and uniting each other. You know, that's the way things are going to change. We need to have some, you know, a few employees say, I'm not going to help you for the because I don't like this person. What good does that do for your loved one, your friends, your frustrated? Nothing. You know, and you know, it's really sad. Okay, everyone, and I'm doing a couple YouTube videos this week, and maybe next week is Jerome Covington, I think, at 7:30. But we'll start Facebook. We'll start those reform at 7 so we go to announcements and be ready because he only can call in one time. So I'm going to add Bobby also with the next person on the list to call in after him, so that we can get a couple phone calls a day. And if you would like to reach out to us, our number is 614-404-4924 or our email is fairtreatmentreform@gmail.com.